I feel like crying when my own Mumbai city, Amchi Mumbai, Apli Mumbai, a beautiful city, was rocked. I used to practice in South Mumbai, was rocked by the 26th November bomb blast. We are on 22nd of November. In 4 days, we will be celebrating the 17th. It was in 2008. And the shooting that took place in CSMT, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, what used to be called as Victoria Terminus of the British. I am next to that. My clinic is next to that. And that day I went early, and next day I had meeting with Mr. Karkare. But it could never take place ever. And because of which, I was extremely angry when Ajmal Kasab, an internationally proven terrorist from Pakistan, was proven and caught alive by our Jahambaz, Kailaswasi Tukaram Omleji, one of our policemen. I was into Mumbai police then. I had established, as I mentioned, I established a clinic in 2000 in Nagpala Police Hospital, and this we are talking of 2008. So, Kasab's lawyer was changed. There was a lady lawyer first, and then there was another lawyer, Mr. Khan or somebody, who was trying to prove that Kasab is a juvenile. Juvenile means नाबालिग. हिंदी में उसको नाबालिग शायद बोलते हैं.
Below 18.
He was under the age of 18.
So they were trying to prove that he is under the age of 18.
Why they were trying to prove? Because they wanted to try him for that, so that he can escape the harsh punishments.
Try him according to the juvenile laws.
Try him according to the juvenile law. Exactly. When I read that in one of the leading newspapers of India, that time I was about 48 years old. My blood boiled because I wanted to be an army man. I said, we can't tolerate this nonsense. When this attack had taken place near my clinic in GT hospital and in CSMT. And so I sat down on the computer, that big huge computer then, not the small ones now, big huge computer. I sat till 4 o'clock in the morning, took out all the concerned scientific material regarding the eruption of wisdom tooth, जिसे हम लोग हिंदी भाषा में अकलदाढ़ कहते हैं. अकलदाढ़ जनरली आपको तो मालूम होगा 17 से लेके 21 साल के टाइम पे आती है. और जब 17 साल में भी जैसे माँ के पेट में बच्चा होता है और जो हमको सोनोग्राफी में दिखता है, वैसे अपने जो एक्सरेज, डेंटल एक्सरेज होते हैं, ओपीजी एक्सरे, जिसको अब हम लोग स्टोमेटोलॉजी एक्सरे बोलेंगे, वो एक्सरे में आई वॉज वेरी श्योर दैट इट कैन बी सीन कि हाउ मच दैट विजडम टूथ हैव बीन फॉर्मिंग इन द डेंटल सैक. जैसे माँ के पेट में वो एक बैग होती है जिसमें बच्चा बढ़ता है, द सेम वे देयर इज अ डेंटल सैक इनसाइड our jaws, our maxillary and mandibular jaws, mainly the mandibular jaws. And we can see through the x-ray how much is the development of teeth. I took out almost 4 papers, mostly from Singapore Forensic Odontology Association. Advocate Ujwalji Nikam, who was the public prosecutor, was known to me because I was in the Mumbai police as an honorary doctor. I called him up. He gave me a special appointment because he was covered with the security. I went to the place where he was staying, handed him over the papers. Sir, you would be glad to know, and the Indian dentistry will be proud to know, that it was not a medical doctor, but it was a dental doctor, that's me, called Dr. Vivekanand S. Rege, who helped Advocate Ujwal Nikamji in producing the scientific evidence of wisdom teeth presence or the development of wisdom teeth in in Justice Tailiani's court. He was looking the case of Ajmal Kasab, and Justice Taliani accepted the
Right.
scientific proofs which were submitted by me.
Huh.
Advocate Ujjwal Nikamji had requested Justice Taliani to call Dr. Rege as a witness. Mr. Khan, Ajmal Kasab's advocate, somehow may have known Dr. Rege is going to create a problem for his client in being proven a juvenile. He refused, saying Dr. Rege is not a government employed doctor. Advocate Nikam argued, but he's a doctor with the Mumbai Police Hospital at Nagpada. Khan asked, is Dr. Rege getting any honorarium or any money from the government of Maharashtra Home Department? They said no, Dr. Rege is working as a purely honorary. I was also honorary doctor that time to His Excellency the Governor of Maharashtra. Again, thanks to God, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Jai Sai. So, Khan argued on that basis, say he could be influenced. You can pay Dr. Rege and ask him to submit the proof. So, I was prevented from appearing as a witness.
In the court.
I would have been extremely proud to be like one of the shaheeds, to go and give that case to prove that my country is right in prosecuting the international terrorist from Pakistan, Ajmal Kasab. And he was proven to be over 18 years of age. He was proven to be a non-juvenile, and he was given the capital punishment. Though I, in humanitarian basis, was not at that time at least in favor of killing anybody, because my dharma is as a doctor is to save any human life. And I'm proud to say I have been for many years a part of Doctors Without Borders, and I have helped a lot of Pakistani patients come here and get treatment. I have even helped a 3-year-old girl from Karachi get admitted to Tata Memorial Hospital in Parel. She was suffering from leukemia. So, when it comes to my dharma of medicine as a doctor, I do not distinguish between Pakistan as an enemy country. It's my neighbor, it's my humanity, and it's my dharma. But when they are doing acts of terrorism against my country, I am ready to be as fierce as any armed forces serviceman. And I'm proud to have served a lot of people from armed services.
Sir, we are proud to have you, and I'm extremely proud to hear this. Okay, it was an Indian stomatologist, not anyone else, to prove that Ajmal Kasab was above 18 and he should be punished according to those laws and not by juvenile laws.
And he was punished. So terrorism, it was shown that stomatology can give justice to international terrorism. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir. Jai Hind.
Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Bharat Mata.
Vande Mataram.